Welcome. My name's Glenn Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're on my school group, then welcome to this another training for you. What we're going to talk about today is what is an affiliate link, how does it work, and why do you need an affiliate link, and why you want to make sure that you want to test and use everything you use. You want to make sure that your affiliate link is working so that the sale gets tracked back to you, especially if it's even clicks. If you're getting paid for clicks, then you want to make sure that your affiliate link is being used so you get the clicks. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and show you one of the couple of programs I promote and the affiliate link, and I'm going to show you also a product in Warrior Plus that I put together a couple of years ago when I first started dabbling with affiliate marketing, and it pays 100% commissions on the front end. So it's a $17 product. You sell it with your affiliate link and you earn $17. If you go through if someone buys the whole funnel, I think it's about $500 that you earn if someone goes through the whole funnel. So yeah, so that's something like 500. So it's a good product to promote. It's a good product to have in your email. I use it in a PS in my email. So that's really good. Also, so let's just get into talking about what is an affiliate link. So on this one, this is one of the products that I promote, and down here is where I get my links. So you can see I've got a bonus link I created, a solo, just different uh, links I can use. So if I select default, so this is going to be my default link, and see where this little thing at the end says, it says reference equals Glenn-82. So what happens is someone clicks on this link. Well, a cookie is put on their machine. So it records, and this is all compliant, it records that person, so they put their email in. Some affiliate programs track everything. They'll track the email address, and they'll track all these different items. So, excuse me, even if the cookie has been deleted, someone clears their dash or their cache, they're still recorded as to you because the email has been captured. Some affiliate programs, the cookie only lasts a day. Some last 365 days. Some can get replaced by another cookie if another affiliate sends it. So there's a whole bunch of different ways of tracking, but you just want to make sure that you always have your link. So whenever you share a link, you never want to share just the first part of a link. You want to make sure that your link has the entire thing on it. So where do you share these links? Well, I tell people to put it into a landing page. That's the best place to share it. Let me show you another one. Like this is another affiliate platform. And so I just put up a link on Pinterest as a demo. I did a demo video. And so right here, I chose, there's the product URL. So I just went to a website and I got their page. But remember, the merchant has to belong to the affiliate program. So I went through the merchants and I took the page, and what this does is it actually creates a link. Now, if I copy the link and I paste it somewhere, so you can see up here at the top of the screen there, I think you can see it says sovereign.co 1PMUFFG. That's tracking it to me. That says this affiliate, Glenn, that's like, and these are generated. So you never want to use just that tracking thing. Each link is created as a different one, but they're all linked to me. So if I click on it, it takes me to the whole run through page to sell $325 bikini, right? So I took an image, and why people are like, why do you sell bikinis? Because they're clickable images. People go on Pinterest and, oh, that's cute. Or someone goes, oh, that's a sexy bikini. So they click on it. And if they decide to buy it, you get paid the commission. And some of the sellers on Sovereign actually pay you for the click. It's only pennies. But if you focus strictly on Pinterest and just build a huge following, you could get thousands and thousands of clicks from just one pin. So you could do it that way. This is the offer I'm going to tell you about where you can get 100% commissions. This is the Cheetah method, and so you just click on it. I've already got. You can see it's my offer. I should have been in my other account, so I'll show you. But there'll be, if you go into Warrior Plus, join, and you click on Cheetah. or you type in Cheetah, you will find it. And then you would hit the blue button. There'll be a blue button like this for you, hit request and just say, hey, Glenn, don't leave it blank because I won't approve you. Hey, Glenn, I want to promote Cheetah. I watched you on YouTube or something like that. And then I'll know that you watched this video and I'll approve you so you can get started and you make 100% commission. So average sale is $15.77. So it's not a big money maker, but it's got a very low refund rate, which is great. And basically, if you averaged it out on clicks, it pays 42 cents per click. That's for someone that's running traffic at it or something like that. That's just something. And why I promote it in PS of my email is because it's just a nice little like, oh, PS, you can make XYZ. So those are affiliate links, and that's how they work, and that's how they basically track you for whatever you want to do. Now, where do I share my stuff? So I have my Instagram. My Instagram is my main product. That's why I got Meta verified. If I have any issues, if I have impersonators, I can actually text them and it's within a minute. I have support. That's one of the great things about being Meta verified. Now, right here is a landing page that goes directly to my affiliate link. So if I click on it, it's my landing page. And if I go to through, you'll see right up here, there's my affiliate link, right? So that's how it works. So if I was not me and I went and bought this product, I would get credit for and I would make the commission. I also share it on YouTube. You're on my YouTube channel right now. So right here, you'll see in my profile is this exact same. It's going to the same page. All right. So make sure you subscribe. So that's how an affiliate link works. It's very, very simple. But the main thing is you always want to test all your links, no matter where you're getting it from. Maybe you're going to go to ClickBank. Maybe you're going to go to Digistore24. Maybe you're promoting maybe whatever affiliate platform you want to. There's tons. There's thousands. There's JVZoo. There's Commission Junction. There's Impact. There's it's so numerous. I can't even tell you. Like Copecard. There's just tons and tons of them. Depends on what you want to promote, what niche you want to get into. I happen to like selling make money online products. I like selling coaching. I like selling training because what happens when you sell a make money online product, there's components that people need for that. So they need a landing page builder. They need an autoresponder. They need a domain. So all those things basically, and I'll put links to what I recommend because when you're going to get into the make money online scene, you're going to need those tools. And most of those tools are subscriptions where there are affiliate programs and you can make great money on subscriptions. So you sell people into a product and then you say, well, these are the tools that I recommend to use as you create your business. And basically you get paid on all those backend things. So that's how it all works. And I got to run this morning because I've got lots of errands to do. So I'm going to make this short. It's going to be a short and simple one. If you have any questions, if you're in the university, make sure you're asking questions for me to make videos on what videos you need help with. I know I do short videos and send them to the members personally if it's a really simple question. But if it's something you want me to flush out or you want me to make a longer version of a video, then definitely put it in the Q&A. And if you're not in my program, what you do, go here. If you pick up AI cash machines, sorry, I'm looking over here because my camera's over here. There, that's better. If you pick up AI cash machines as a bonus, I'm going to give you access to my school group. All right. So as you pick it up, it's $27 purchase. There are some upsells. I personally took them all because I wanted to get there the fastest way possible, but they're optional. Everything is included in the $27 course and community, and it's just jam-packed full of all the information you need. But I will get you into my school, and then you get to have me. You not only have my coach in AI cash machines, and I mentor in there, but you also have direct access to me within my school. All right, that is it, guys. I will see you on the next one, and I think that's it. Make sure you subscribe.